So I've been seeing these people having this problem lately on Google Earth software. So let's say this: you download this app called Google Earth. You go to, let's say, example, my favorite place, Las Vegas. You go to Vegas on Google Earth, but there's a problem. You cannot see the roads. You can see the roads, but you cannot see the map, a 2D map. You don't want to look at it this way because there's no lines in the roads. But you could put lines if you press this check mark. But you don't want it like that. You want it in 2D way. So I will show you ways how to do that without going on Google Chrome. You will go to Google Chrome, but if you're in this app on Google Earth. So I will show you how to do that. So if you're on Google Earth Pro or just Google Earth, just go to I think it's files. Sorry about that. Just go to files and my mouse. Go to view in Google Map. That's all you gotta do. So if you go to Google Earth should look like this if you guys don't know. Like this right here, my mouse. So like I was saying, just go to file, go to view in Google Map. Now this is the way you want it. Now you type in Las Vegas or whatever you like. Okay, there's another problem. It still looks the same like Google Earth. What I want you to do is go to Maps. Where my mouse is, just press that and voila, right there. So this is the way you want it, the map way. You're still on the website, but you go just go to file, like I said, and go view and map Google Maps. Maybe you know this, but a lot of people are having this problem. Thanks for watching. You will see me later again. Bye bye.